Bonjour, c'est Claire French in the Midlands. Today's video is about a mistake that most students make constantly. They use the verb visiter when they want to go and see their friends or their family. We never use that in French. I'll explain in a minute what we use instead. Now, just before we start, I want to mention briefly, you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's full of tips on how to speak French like a native speaker. If you're talking about visiting buildings, monuments, cities or countries, then it's fine to use visiter. For instance, j'ai visité Paris l'année dernière. I visited Paris last year. It's fine. Ils vont visiter une maison à vendre demain matin. They're going to view a house for sale tomorrow. So I know in English you don't say visiter in this context, but we do in French. On voudrait visiter le musée d'Orsay. We would like to visit the Orsay Museum. Talking about museum, in my view, the Louvre is really overrated, and I personally much prefer the Musée d'Orsay if you ever have the opportunity to see it. Now, when it comes to visiting people, we use a combination of two verbs, aller voir or venir voir, depending on whether you're going there or people are coming to see you. Mes parents sont venus me voir hier. My parents came to see me yesterday. Or you could say in English, they came to visit me yesterday. It's fine, but not in French. It's just venu me voir. On va aller voir mon cousin la semaine prochaine. We're going to see my cousin next week, or we're going to visit my cousin next week. In the first example, your parents are coming towards you, so we use venir. In the second example, you're going to see someone, so you're going away from your house, which is why we use aller. Interestingly, instead of aller voir or venir voir, you can use aller chez or venir chez. For instance, let's use the same examples again. Mes parents sont venus chez moi hier instead of sont venus me voir. It's fine. My parents came to my house yesterday. On va aller chez mon cousin la semaine prochaine. We're going to my cousin's next week. It's equally fine in English. In French, you really have the choice of aller voir or aller chez, venir voir or venir chez. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!